the person you are trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Sorry, the person you are trying to reach... Sorry, the person you are trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Please.
Well, he was sending me the voicemail, so I'm sure he's up. Called him 15 minutes earlier than he told me to, but it is what it is. So did I wake you up the first time and you were just sending me the voicemail?
No.
I was like, I called you and I was like, you were sending me straight to voicemail like after 2 rings. I was like, maybe he's up and he's telling me to off right now.
I guess when?
Huh?
When did you call?
Like 4:15.
Huh.
Yeah, literally like 10 minutes ago. Oh, I was just making sure you were up.
Yeah.
Alrighty. You ready to kill some ducks?
Oh, yeah.
Alrighty, well, I'll see you at Levi's then.
Alright.
Later. Well, good morning and welcome back to another duck season. That is right, it is duck opener this morning and we are headed out with the Kansas Flyway boys. If you guys don't remember from my dove video from the opener of dove season, Levi and Brantley run a guide service out here, Kansas Flyway, and if you guys want to come out to Kansas and shoot some birds, hit them up. I'm gonna figure out how to drop their link below to their Instagram page. Shoot them a message, book you a hunt with Kansas Flyway, and come out here and shoot birds. Let me tell you what happened this week. This was insane. It was unreal for me to actually witness it happen coming from Ohio. It was super cool. All week we had very mild, warmish temperatures with the south wind. All of a sudden, Thursday night into Friday morning, that south wind turned to a north wind and we had this massive front come in and it got really cold up north. And that pushed the birds. The birds started to migrate. And when I tell you, I am not even kidding. I went out Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening and scouted. And I saw maybe 30 ducks total. And all of a sudden Friday morning when I got up, went to work, and I work outside most of the day, you look up into the sky and it was just flock after flock after flock. And then I went out and scouted, and the spot where I seen the 30 ducks the day previous, there was over 2,000 birds on that spot. So in a matter of 12-hour period, like a flip of a switch, we went from 0 to hero. So I'm really looking forward to this morning, to what this weekend has in store, because we have a full moon tonight into tomorrow, and we got great cloud coverage, and it's just a great front to be out there. I can just only imagine more and more birds are going to keep pushing down this entire weekend, and I think it's just going to be an absolute slaughter fest. So we're going to stop talking here. We're going to hit the road. We're going to go meet up with Levi and Brantley, and we're going to go slay some ducks. So we'll see you guys out in the duck blind. Yo. Yo. Nice. Oh, they're coming back.
Yep, here. Here.
Are they still coming or are they going away?
They're gone. They gone?
Yeah.
Okay. Go.
Where are they at?
They're out front, right out front.
Oh, yep.
Right out front. Go, winner, go. Alright, at least you won't bang that one. Go. Alright, at least you won't bang that. Right here, right in front.
Yep.
Right in front. Go. Got it, see.
Sign off, sadly.
I think they're gonna go to the field. Get ready. Oh shit. Go. Go. Good shot. I tried to get that other one. You didn't know? No, still mine. Yeah.
Again. Brantley, you see him?
Yeah, they're right there.
Are they flying?
Yeah, they're on the water.
Oh, go! Yeah! Blind squirrel finds a nut every once in a while. That extended full choke at work.
There you go.
Got him!
That one on the GoPro?
I don't know, is it recording?
The red light?
Yeah.
It's flashing.
Yeah, then I got it. Literally, I was like I said, I'm just trying to film as much as I can, not do much shooting. Then I was like, well, it sounds like everyone's pretty much empty. Screw it, one duck's up. Old hen ringer. Whew. Well, yesterday was opener. I realized I didn't do an exit part of the opening hunt video, or the let's restart this. Well, I realized as I was getting the footage onto the computer, I didn't do an exit to yesterday's hunt, and so I'll do it right now, just real quick, real briefly. What an insane opener. I mean, 18 birds down, a lot of ringnecks, a mallard, and a lot of teal. So it was definitely a great start to the season, to say the least, and I'm really looking forward to what else all is in store for us this season. Like I said, we got really lucky this weekend with that front that moved in on Thursday night. Pushed a whole lot of birds down here, and birds are just keep piling in down here, and we're just gonna keep hammering them down and bringing you guys the footage. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll be back with more videos for you guys, so stay tuned for all that action.